Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to share videos on Google Drive. Sharing videos on Google Drive is a fantastic way to collaborate with others and securely store your media. Whether you're working on a group project or simply want to share memories with friends and family, I'll guide you through the process. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Now, if you don't have any files, all you have to do is to right click your Google Drive web page and then upload a file. Just click this one, file upload. So then locate the video you want to share on your computer and select it. Your video will now be uploaded to your Google Drive. So after the upload is complete, find your video in Google Drive and then click on it to select it. You'll notice a blue bar at the top. This is your videos menu. Now click on the share icon, this one, which looks like a person with a plus sign. It's located on the right corner of your screen. So this will open the sharing settings for your video. Now in the share with people and group section, you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to share the video with. You can also adjust the permissions, choose viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on how much control you want them to have. And then once you've added the recipients and set the permissions, click on the blue send button. Your recipients will receive an email with a link to the video on Google Drive. And that's it. You now know how to share videos on Google Drive. It's a simple process that can make collaboration and sharing media a breeze. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to share videos on Google Drive. Remember, technology can connect us in amazing ways, and being able to share content effortlessly is a part of the magic. See you on my next video.